Constantly communicating. Actually, the main tactic na ginagawa namin right now is simple lang, the communication. We communicate to people of Marawi. We discuss to Maranaos business owner, RPT owners, yung mga taxes na binabayaran, i-explain to them na ganito talaga ang dapat bayaran. Dapat mag-comply tayo because this will benefit the Marawi City, the entire Marawi City, because of the possible na pag-uplift ng ating local government of Marawi. So, yun, information drive, the tax campaign, and yun, talagang communication lang, information drive. Kasi right now, yun nga sabi ko, bago to ngayon, pero ang ramdam nila parang from 0 to 100. Hindi tayo accelerating yung 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, to 10, to 20. Kasi ginawa natin 0 to 100. So nagulat yung karamihan sa amin. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my family, the BLGM family, for supporting me and to supporting me to become the full-fledged city treasurer of Marawi. And yun nga, na yung full-fledged na tayo, hindi na tayo maka-atras sa ating hamon, sa ating mandato, to collect and to implement and to check the finances of our city government, to implement correctly yung ating collection, to remit lahat-lahat ng mga collection natin. So humingi kami ng tulong, suporta sa lahat ng mga taga-Marawi kasi as I've said every time na nagkakaroon ng information drive, that the business owner is the partner of development of the locality. Without the business, it is impossible to a local government to be developed. Kasi ang mga businesses ang nagpupondo sila through taxes. Sila ang nagbibigay ng taxes, income sa local government of Marawi para gawing pondo para sa ating local government of Marawi. So, yun lang, sana maintindihan kami sa lahat ng aming mga mandato, sa lahat ng aming trabaho na ginagawa para naman to sa ating ikakabuti at sa pag-unlad ng ating lungsod na Marawi City. Maraming salamat.